welcome to my channel. My name is Aga Tompkins and today I'm going to tell you all about the Flash Mask by Amika. If you've been wondering what's up with this guy, stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. I want to start off by saying that I was just on vacation and I was in the pool all day. We rented a house with a pool, chlorine, and we were at the ocean. And I was surfing and my hair was sad. It was sad. And so when I got home, I decided it's time to use my Flash mask. It is the bomb to revive my hair. It was seriously so gross. I definitely, did not take care of it very much. I'm pretty sure I didn't brush it the whole time I was there, but don't worry. Thanks to this guy, my hair is back to shiny, back to silky. And if you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend trying it. I don't know if you guys know a lot about Amika, but I actually recently started working with them. They've always been one of my favorite brands. Yeah, I don't know, I'm super honored. It's one of those things where I applied and really thought, like, if this really happens, like, girl. Well, it did, and so they love me. I know. It's pretty awesome. I'm kind of like a fangirl, to be honest with you guys. Like, first of all, the Amika smell is so amazing. I don't know if you guys ever smelled their products, but they have like a signature fragrance and it's like warm vanilla, fresh citrus, and like spicy clover is the scent, and just bam, blast them all together. I want perfume of it, you know? It's so good. So yeah. My dog's sneezing. And so the thing that I like about this product is it's super easy and it's fast. I definitely have days where I take the time and really do my hair or whatever, and then I have more days where I legit don't want to do anything to my hair. This Amika Flash Instant Mask is super easy and you can definitely do it like once or twice a week and just give a little bam to your hair, a little shine, and yeah, just revive it. So the way it works is after shampooing, you kind of like wring out your hair, just kind of like get most of the water out. Obviously it's gonna be wet still, duh, but do that, just kind of like do one of these, you know, and just get most of the water out. And then you twist this cap off, which is super easy. It's just a little cap, and then you have a little nozzle there. I'm putting this cap back on just so I don't get on my hair right now. And then you apply it directly to your hair, and I kind of just do like that throughout the hair. And then I'll take all my hair and kind of run my fingers through it like this, and then just add a little more to the ends and kind of work it through all of my hair. I don't really put in my roots because my hair is thinner and I don't really need it a ton. So in that moment, I don't put in my roots. In the end, kind of just swoosh it around the top. And so like fully saturate it, and then just wait 60 seconds. You can count or you can like shave or something. I don't know. I don't know what you can do. You can like think, you can meditate. Just wait 60 seconds. Easy breezy. Make sure you rinse it out thoroughly. Boom, in a flash, you have perfectly shiny, beautiful hair. Done. It's vegetarian friendly and cruelty free. Obviously, I don't work with products that aren't. There's no sulfates, no artificial colors, no phthalates. So that's good because you don't have to worry about all the bad stuff. You know what I mean? All of Amika's products have the sea buckthorn berries. So when I tell you guys about other Amika products, I'll definitely be mentioning that. It's like a berry that is in Siberia and the Himalayas. So it's in like super harsh weather conditions. So this berry is super tough, and that's why Amika uses it in all their products, because it's really, really great. It has 15 times more vitamin C than an orange, 3 times more vitamin A than like a carrot. This little berry, man, it's awesome. It's like super bright orange. That ties in with the colorful pattern of all of Amika's products, and it really stands out. But overall, it has like 190 vitamins and nutrients, which is wild. Wild. I want to eat it. I don't know if I can eat it. Anyway. I don't know if it's edible. I'm gonna do more research and I'll let you guys know on the next video. If you've been curious, who was running around, long story short, if you've been curious about this flash mask, I 100% recommend it. I do it in the shower, super easy. Check it out. Tell me what you think. My hair smells good and it's soft and it's back to normal, which I'm super glad about because it was crying. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys coming back. Now you know the new news. I'm with Amika now, so if you guys have any questions about Amika stuff, let me know and I'll make more videos. I'm probably gonna go through the whole line because I've been learning about all their stuff and I'm super nerding out. Turbo, beauty nerd style. You guys know I'm a hair nerd and all that stuff, so I will teach you guys all about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!